In this video, I'm going to be installing a tempered screen glass protector on my Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, press that like button and subscribe. Let's check out what's in the box and see how easy it is to install. First, we have the screen alignment tool. Then we have some stickers to remove the lint off the screen, as well as in the packaging we have a alcohol wipe and a dry wipe. And then we have, since this is a 3-pack, 3 tempered glass screens. To begin, I'm going to prep the screen by wiping it down with the provided alcohol wipe, and then I'll dry it off. Once it's dried and fingerprint free, use the provided stickers to remove any dust or lint. Place the lyman tool on your phone. Then place the tempered glass into the lyman tool. The tempered glass didn't fit exactly into the lyman tool, but once I got the top lined up, I removed the tool and then I used a squeegee to remove the air pockets. As you can see, the installation was really straightforward and simple. I was able to successfully install this without air bubbles on my first attempt, and I've had no issues unlocking my phone with the fingerprint sensor. So this is where I'm going to end the video today. All the product links can be found in the description down below. And since you're there, hit that like button and help the channel grow by hitting that subscribe button to get all the latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.